Countermand is a verb meaning to revoke, cancel or reverse an order or command, often replacing it with a new one. It emphasizes authority and control in changing a prior directive. Origins, the word comes from the Latin contra, against, and mandare, to command. It entered English via Old French in the late 15th century, retaining its meaning of overriding an order. How to use countermand. Example sentences. The general decided to countermand the earlier attack order. The CEO countermanded the decision to shut down the project. Still similar words. Revoke, to take back or withdraw officially. Rescind, to cancel formally, especially laws or agreements. Reverse, to change to the opposite direction or decision. Antonyms: reinforce, to strengthen or support an existing order. Confirm, to affirm or validate a decision or command. Key takeaway: countermand denotes authority in action, reversing or nullifying prior orders to assert new directives.